Have you ever observed that you are in an online class and you suddenly start thinking about something and you go on thinking for next 5 to 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you realize, oh my god, I have been thinking from past 10 minutes and I haven't heard a single thing what my boss or a teacher was saying. So my friend, this video is for you. This video is about distraction. Distraction destroyed me a lot. Because of distraction, my efficiency got low, my effectiveness got low, and I used to take very much time in completing a simple task. And I used to get into this phase very frequently, because of which I lost a lot of time of my day, and my efficiency got very low. I got so much frustrated that I thought of getting out of this, and I searched out of myself. I did not get answers. Then I searched within myself. I asked myself certain questions, and I really got those ideas, which really helped me to get out of the distraction phase. Here are some things which I used, and here are some things which I got to know, which helped me a lot. And I'm not saying that I am not distracted right now, or I do not get distracted at all. Yes, I do get distracted, but the frequency is very less right now. So the margin of improvement is very high. I would like you all to get that point, because we all need to get efficient and effective, so that the less important or unimportant tasks, or even the important tasks, don't take lots of time. So here we go with the video. So I identified 3 things because of which I used to get distracted, and with those 3 things I simultaneously thought what I could do, or what could be my action to eliminate those things. When I was thinking, I got to realize that there are 3 main things which distracts us, or which become the reasons of distracting us. The first one is, I know you guessed it, right? The first one is external things. External things are the phone calls, notifications, the sounds which are outside ourselves. It may be your cat, it may be your dog, which disturbs you every now and then. It may be your sibling which distracts you. So that's something external. How we can get to it, or how we can close this type of distraction is, first, if that's a person, you could really go to them and tell them that because of them because of them you get distracted. And before you are going to do certain thing, do tell them that you are doing certain thing, something important, and you don't want to get distracted. Talk to them politely and eliminate those distraction. You could get your phone on silent mode, or mute the notifications, because of which you get distracted every now and then. So you can close the door of your room, or put on certain sounds like meditation music, or any guitar music, any soft playing music in your headphones, and you can get going. So yes, we eliminated that external distraction thing. So the second thing was the internal triggers. Have you ever realized that you are thinking about something, and suddenly you start thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking, and you go on thinking for a lot of time, even without realizing that you are thinking? That is what I call a thought thread. So I suffered a lot of it, and I finally got out of it. I will not say that I completely got out of it, but the frequency of getting into those thought thread reduced a lot. So this is what I did. I used breath as my anchor. I used to always be aware of my breath, because of which I did not get distracted. Do try it. Always realize that you are breathing. This will help you. I used to meditate a lot, and because of meditation, it got very good. Meditation. I used different breath works, because of which I started living in now, and that helped me a lot. So do try meditation, and watch certain videos about meditation. It will really help you in being in now. And the third thing was lack of practice of being intensely focused. So it's all about practice. It's like a muscle. You go on practicing it and it becomes stronger and stronger, and you get less and less distracted and more efficient. So yeah, ask yourself, what is distraction for you? How is distraction destroying you? And what are the causes because of which you are getting distracted, and how you can eliminate those causes? Because all answers lie within yourselves, and you really are the key to all your questions.